Ever wondered if you can snag the Apple TV app from the Google Play Store to use with your iPhone? Let's clear up that confusion right now. First things first, a crucial distinction needs to be made. The Apple TV app is not found on the Google Play Store, that's correct. You won't find it when browsing through Android apps. So, where do you get it? For your iPhone, the only official and correct place to download the Apple TV app is the Apple App Store. Think of it as going to the official Apple Store for your Apple devices. To stream all your favorite Apple TV content, whether it's original shows or movies, you absolutely need to download the app directly from the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Once you've located the Apple TV app within the App Store, simply tap on Get or the download icon. You might need to authenticate with your Apple ID password or Face ID Touch ID, just like with any other app download. After the download is complete, you'll have the Apple TV app right on your iPhone's home screen, ready for you to log in with your Apple ID and start enjoying your subscription. Remember, it's all about using the right app store for the right device. So to recap, the Apple TV app for your iPhone is exclusively on the Apple App Store. Happy streaming!